Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of the exterior and the interior. And of course, I'll make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, and of course just explain a few of the interior features in a bit more depth. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Coupe and is presented in the Melbourne red. Alongside that, we've added the fantastic full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, where we've also added the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are finished in the satin grey, which really do help emphasise that lovely Melbourne red. At the front of the car, you'll see it is a 2018 18 plate and has the full facelift, including the very striking LED facelift front lights. And of course, I'll talk a bit more about what else is included in that very shortly. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll already be able to see the gloss black M4 Aero mirror caps, as well as the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Sitting behind the very nice 20-inch alloy wheels, you'll be able to see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle having the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. Alongside that, included in that pack, you have the sun protection glazing, as you can see there on the rear windows. Another optional extra on this car is the comfort access. So I have the key in my pocket and it is currently locked, as you can see there, and I'm simply going to pull on the door handle and the vehicle will unlock without me touching any buttons. And it is relatively the same for locking the car, which makes things a little bit easier for accessing and of course locking the car. The interior is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both electric movement and memory for driver's side, as well as the heated option. In the front, Harman Kardon surround sound, of course. And in the rear, you'll find the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest and of course the darkened M Sport headlining. This vehicle is exquisitely presented inside and out and is definitely one of the nicest colour combinations, especially sat on those very nice satin grey alloy wheels, as you can see there. Making our way round to the rear of the car, again as part of the facelift, they've added these LED rear lights, which again are made to look that little bit more aggressive. We've added the gloss rear diffuser and matching rear boot spoiler, and I'll open up the tailgate to allow you to have a look at just how much luggage capacity you'll find on the 4 Series Coupe if you've not yet already seen one. Again, having the split folding seat option will further enhance that, and you'll also be able to see the nicely presented floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. Making our way around to the other side of the car now, and again just taking a second or two to appreciate the very nice Melbourne red and of course the black of the YNC Mperformance body styling kit, before I make my way on inside the car to of course give you a better glimpse at all of the very nice optional extras on this car. It does also have the power folding mirror function, again as you can see there on the window switch, and there's of course the memory controls for your driver's side seat. So now I'm sat comfortably inside the vehicle. I will of course go ahead and start the car up, where we can have a look through a couple of the features and functions of this professional wide navigation and media screen, which really does enhance your whole interior feel and of course experience. Starting with the navigation feature, which again, thanks to the car being the facelift version, we've of course also got the facelift iDrive, giving you a few more features and functions, and of course also being up to date using the real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. At the main menu, we'll just quickly go through and have a look at the new separated and segregated little sub menus, again just making things that little bit nicer for you to operate. In terms of multimedia, as you can see there, we've got the music collection, DAB, as well as a wide array of external devices including USB, AUX and of course Bluetooth audio. And as you can see here, we'll go down and have a look at the Bluetooth audio menu, as well as Bluetooth audio, of course you have Bluetooth telephone. And if I lift up the sliding armrest, tucked away very nice and neatly, this vehicle also comes equipped with a wireless charging dock. As you can see there, I've got a device placed in the item and it is charging very nicely. Particularly useful because of course it does mean things are out of the way and not a distraction, and of course it does mean it frees up your USB slot for a passenger, and it means you don't have to have wires entangling around here, and again it is nice that there's no distractions getting in the way of anything. In terms of the vehicle mileage, it has covered just over 20,000 miles, so another low mileage example. And the next service due on this vehicle, bearing in mind it will have just only had its first service fairly recently, is 10,000 miles, as you can see there on screen. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you find it useful, and of course They are aimed to give you that informed purchasing decision, or at least aid of it. Most of all though guys, I do hope to see yourselves very, very soon. However, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Where as always, I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course website links to view this vehicle on our website in full down below in the description box. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all, hope to see you soon. Thank you, take care and goodbye.